Namaste everyone. God had designed human body and other creatures body according to environment. Every organ has its unique function and in coordination with other organs. Never try to stop or inhibit biological clocks and never stop natural calls. Why day and night? Why sunrise and sunset? Why seasonal changes and many more. Day is a meant for work and night for sleep, exception for some urgent duties like the hospital, railway station and airport and many more. Tomorrow is exam. The student will not able to sleep to prepare or learn syllabus to get a good marks. But if you will awake whole night, you feel tired during another day or will compensate by more sleep on next day. Similarly, if we are in job or doing PhD or postdoc or doing some project work, then if you have to submit some work on another day, night will not able to sleep you further because of sincerity to finish work as early as possible. Sometimes finishing work make you sleep better, and this is one of reason not to sleep for students and the young generation who are looking for better job, better future or better life partner. For parent, reason not to sleep if their children are physically disabled, mentally retarded or suffering from chronic diseases. Another reason, if they are not able to give their children higher education, not have enough fund to marry their children's. A good and responsible housewife always finish all responsibilities, then sleep and take rest. But after long time, it will affect their health. In old age, couples are not able to sleep if they are not with their children, not with good bahu and grandson and daughter, and not enough money to survive their life. Now, reason for not to sleep or cry little kids. Why born child sleep more in initial few months? Why few kids vomit more? Why few kids cry more? The reason is that they are not getting love and attention from their parents, especially from mother are doing job and babysitters are playing a role and passing time with kids. Actually, we are entangled inside social network, knowingly or unknowingly creating bad or good karma. Ignorance is bliss. Finally, we all face stress, anxiety, and many more health problems in every stage of life in long term. God is there to settle all past karmic account. There are many questions need to be answered and think carefully and required to do life experiment with good review. Struggling with relationship. Person having high tolerance able to survive or weak get suicide. Spiritual studies says that if person is doing suicide, person will back to 10 incarnation back. Now I will discuss about the remedy not to depress or sleep well. Try to engage yourself in any activity you like. Physical activity makes you tired, forced to sleep better. For housewife, household work are best exercise. Choose which you prefer to do, save time and do work or makes you and your family happy. Make good quality friends. Share with trustworthy friends. Choose what should discuss or disclose to others because person other side will make your image bad or good in society or sometime will get benefited from your weak points or weakness. Always listen good quality songs or spiritual lectures. It will like a free medicine to make your mind to feel good or to overcome various issues. Always watch good quality serial and movies that inspire and motivate you to do good things. What you like you do. Approach better way. Books gives better company and knowledge. Drawing, music, any work with focus or concentration is meditation. Work satisfaction or achievement makes you sleep better, but please check what ways you are achieving your success. If you have a greater energy, you should utilize properly. That's why outdoor games are recommended for kids or teenagers. For an angry man, I think boxing is very good to finish your all frustration. Person having insomnia problem and other problem should pray before sleep to your favorite deity or god and discuss every problem. Room should be good or well arranged and clean to sleep you better. Morning and night affirmation. I'm not saying anything negative for doctors or allopathy, just saying if case is worse, then consult doctor and take medicines. I recommend not to use antipsychotic medicine because you will be dependent on that will make sleep you only, and in long term you will become addict. At this moment, strong will work to survive. There are also many exercises and breathing patterns to exhale or inhale because good air or oxygen is required to every cell of body, because flow of energy as well as air, solar and ground prana is essential for survival of life. Human body has own immune system to survive. If you will not follow, then body take their own posture to give comfort or give their own pattern to breathe. There are enough matter to discuss. We will discuss further in few more coming videos. Thank you everyone.